Okay everyone, so we're going to get started drawing your soup can design. So we said before what you're trying to draw is a cylinder. So first what we're going to do is we're going to start with two straight lines. So I'm going to do one here going down this side. If you want to press lightly at first, press lightly. I'm pressing kind of hard so you guys can see this really well as I show you what to do. Then I want to do one that I start just as high, so I'm going to go across from it on the other side. And I'm going to go down. And I'm going to stop in the same place so they're right across from each other. So what you want to do is you want to make it look like it's a round form you can actually pick up. This just looks like I can put my hand between the two lines right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on those curved lines like when I showed you guys the soup can in the first video. So I'm going to curve down and that's going to look like it's coming towards me, and I'm going to make it touch the other side. When I get there I might just take a break. That's the front side, so that seems to come towards me. What I want to do now is I want to make it look like it has a back side that goes away. So I'm going to do the other side of the circle, but you'll notice instead of a circle, this actually looks like a squished oval. So it's laying flat, so it looks like we're going straight across it, like it's a plate laying there on the table. Then I need to do the bottom of the soup can. For the bottom, I'm going to curve down, and then you guessed it, I've got to come back up. I need to sort of move my hand so I can see where I'm going. So I'm going to come up to the other side. Then to add some details, I can put the lines that I would see on the top of the can up here from when they made it. And then I want to think about, I'm going to design a label for the soup can. So I'm going to draw a line here that would start the label, and I'm going to draw a line here. So you can come up with a different name for yours if you want to. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to call mine soup. So we're going to zoom in a little closer because I'm going to go lighter with the pencil here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do an S. And y'all can barely see that in the video, I'm sure. So what I'm doing is I want to make it look like it's going around. Plus at first I'm just writing this, but when you look at letters on labels like this, the letters actually look like shapes. Now here y'all can tell I'm running out of room for the last letter, for the P, but what's going to happen is that will actually make it look like it's going around to the other side, so that actually helps it look a little more realistic. Now that I've done this, this gives me where I can draw my shape around the letters. So now I'm pressing harder and I'm making my line darker because this I actually want people to see. So you'll do this with all of your letters. Even the ones like the O is special because the O has a shape inside of it. So to look like it's finished, I have to draw this oval inside of it. Then I'm going to do the U. And then the P, which we said runs out of room. But that's going to help it look like it's going around to the other side. So if you only get 2 or 3 letters on there, that's fine. You saw that I didn't get all of my P. If you want to write other words about your soup there, like what flavor it is, you could do that with your pencil. What we're going to do next is we're going to get ready to turn this into something we can paint.